Hey guys, Jeremy at Speedwerx here. Today we're going to be talking about our Stage 1 Exterminator Kits for the 2019 and newer Polaris 850 models. The package that we've come up with consists of our Ecu Flash, our Clutch Kit, and our lightweight muffler. And with that, we're coming up with about a 10 horsepower gain over stock. Still runs on premium pump gas. These are awesome gains for these little simple mods. And we think you guys are really going to like this package. And we plan on having it available shortly after the snow flies, and we just finalize a few things once we're out on the snow. We got a few things we need to finalize on the snow. Once that's done, this stuff will be available for you guys, and we'll start shipping them as soon as we can. So, as you can see with the parts in front of us, we'll go over what this package consists of. First option is on the mufflers. We have two mufflers shown here. This is our standard lightweight muffler. That gives you an 8-pound weight savings. It has a nice, quiet, reasonable sound levels. So if you're worried about noise and you don't get any tickets, you know, riding through towns, worrying about DNR, everything like that, this is the muffler you want to go with. It's quiet, it's reasonable, and it still saves you 8 pounds. Our other option is our L2 muffler. This is our light and loud muffler. If you do not want a loud muffler, do not pick this muffler. This muffler is 10.6 pounds lighter. Both mufflers perform exactly the same. They have the exact same amount of back pressure. Like I said, they operate exactly the same, so it doesn't matter which one you pick. There's just a weight difference and a noise difference between the two. Next thing we'll talk is about our ECU flash. We use a torque link platform to flash our ECUs and do all of our programming. In there, we're changing timing, we're changing fuel, we're changing all kinds of things. We're not going to get down to the brass tacks on that because that's proprietary information, but that is part of the kit. And then last but not least is our Hypershift Clutch Kit. New for this year, we have our dual adjustable 10 series weights. They'll be in that kit, where you can see we have the set screw that slides all the way through the base of the weight or the body of the weight, and then we're adjustable on the tip as well. And they'll come preset, already set up for your application and whatnot, but there's an infinite amount of adjustability there for you if you want to make changes. Comes with one of our H5 alloy primary springs, one of our H5 alloy secondary springs, which again, these are the best steel springs or steel base springs on the market. They come with a 5-year warranty against breakage or sacking out of more than 5%. So again, we're the only company in the industry offering that type of warranty on the clutch springs. And then we have our lightweight Helix with again, depending on what machine you have, there's a large variety of angles and whatnot you have. But our Helixes are about 3/4 of a pound lighter than what the stock ones are. So there's advantage there as far as reducing that rotating mass, as well as us matching up the angle and stuff you have. So that's everything that the Stage 1 kits are going to consist of. Again, this is a 10 horsepower gain. Price varies on model what they come for clutching, but you're going to be that $950 to $1,000 range. And again, 10 horse, 2019 and newer 850 models. There'll be more details to come, and the stuff should be ready to order and start shipping right after it snows, and we sign off on a couple other things. So if you guys got any questions, let us know, and you can check this stuff out on the website. Thanks again.